Hey everyone, it's Lakshmi and we are here with LakshmiBee and this is the third look. So all I have done is wear the same outfit and I've just paired it with this really beautiful black silk jacket. Now the really cool thing about this is I also bought this from the vintage store from Vinnie's. Now when I bought this jacket, it literally fit me like a glove. That's what I love. When you go into these stores, you just don't know what you're going to find. And it actually came with gold buttons. I don't really wear gold too much, so what I've done is I've just painted over them with silver nail polish. So there you go. And I've also done the center button as well, which is really cool. And the awesome thing about this jacket is the story behind it. It was actually made by a really incredible Australian designer. She isn't in business anymore, and I had found this beautiful piece in the vintage store. So I feel really lucky to have it, and it looks really awesome. And there you have it. So with the bag, I bought this bag years ago. So I actually took it to my year 12 formal. And what I've done is I've just taken a fabric remnant of sequin fabric and I have redesigned the whole front of it. So I've stitched it all around the whole bag and added this nice detail in the middle. And I've also redone my old glasses. So I got these glasses a long while back and they were actually gold before. So again, I've taken that silver nail polish, just like the jacket, and I've just painted over the gold. So another rewear, restyle, vintage piece, sustainable fashion that doesn't hurt the planet or people.